Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Our today's topic of discussion in the subject of microbiology is how a microorganism cause disease in the host. You can also call it mechanism of the disease, or why and how a microorganism infects the host. Students, the microorganism causes disease in the host by compromising the immune status of the host. How this immune status is compromised? This immune system is compromised by following factors which we will discuss. Please give this camera to me so that I may focus on different points. Students, please take a closer look. For example, structural factors like Fimbriae and Pili. Students, certain microorganisms like E. coli bacteria, Salmonella and Shigella, they have hair-like structures on their outer surfaces which help them to be attached on the surface of host cells. Second factor is production of enzymes. Bacteria produce different types of enzymes which destroy the mechanism and metabolism of the host cells. For example, hyaluronidase enzyme. This enzyme is produced by Clostridium perfringens bacteria, Streptococcus bacteria and Staphylococcus bacteria. Student, hyaluronidase enzyme breaks down the hyaluronic acid of the connective tissue of the host. Third factor is production of beta lactamases. Students, beta lactamases are antibiotics enzyme. It means they destroy the antibiotics. Bacteria like Staph aureus and Neisseria gonorrhea, they produce beta lactamases enzyme which inactivates antibiotics against these bacteria. Another structural factor is capsule. Bacteria like Streptococcus pneumonia, Klebsiella pneumonia, H. influenza bacteria, they secrete outer capsule around their surface which prevents these bacteria against the phagocytosis of phagocytic cells of the immune systems. Next factor is destruction of antibodies. IgA protease produced by Pseudomonas aeruginosa bacteria inactivates the host antibodies. Students, production of exotoxins and endotoxins. Exotoxins are toxic substances produced by gram positive and some gram negative bacteria, whereas endotoxins are integral part of cell wall of gram negative bacteria. Both exotoxins and endotoxins cause destruction of host cells. Last factor is route of transmission. Students, bacteria enters the host from human to human source or non-human to human source. For example, soil source, water, animal and fomite source. So this was brief summary of different factors which help the microorganisms to cause disease in the host. Thank you students. Allah Hafiz.